Welcome to the Energy Gardening. Hope you guys are doing great. The other day in a video we saw how to grow the sunflowers, basically why I'm growing and how to grow, and some do's and don'ts that I know or I learned this year. So now today I thought of harvesting the sunflowers, which I read and learned in some videos and some articles, some research pages as why. I was thinking like I have to harvest only when the head turns black. There's a correction in what I said. Like it looks like the sunflowers are ready to be harvested or ready to be cut down anytime they turn their heads down, and we see like the outlet, the florets are falling off. So today I'm going to see I'm seeing like some of the heads are fallen down, have come down. So I'm going to harvest the flowers, some of the flowers, cut those flower heads, and then we'll see the rest. Basically to cut from here I need a big loppers. I don't have that, so I'm going to cut only the flower head. The stem was really hard. It was like very woody as I expected, but good that I'm doing it now and not during the winter season or before or the later in the fall. So this is, as you see, this is really woody, truly woody, which I expected, but this is more than what I expected. So just showing this flower head, it's like, although we think, at least I was thinking the one to be one big sunflower. No, it's like the outer ones are the pseudo petals and the inside ones are the actual flowers. If we see here, how do I hold them? Let me see. So these consist of too many flowers inside. These are the actual flowers, and these are the pseudo petals that's lying outside. This gives a view that it's one flower, but no, it's made up of thousands of flowers inside. So if we scrape these, we can find the seeds inside. And these are the ones that have been scraped, and these are fully seeds. Now we would let them dry. I don't know, I have to find a place in the garage or somewhere to let them dry before harvesting the seeds for the next year or for our snack. I don't have a chicken, but my little chicken is here. She'll be snacking on that. Of course, I'll be joining hands.